Dude, that was sick. Really nice fish. There he is, front row seats to the show. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, he's on it instantly. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. Dude, that was sick. That was sick. Come on. Just missed one, let it sit. This one came up and sucked it in. Really nice smallie. Oh no, he popped off. That's all right. It's a fish. Feels decent. Oh yeah, really good fish. Looks like a largemouth. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. Stay pinned, baby. Been losing you guys all day. Oh, it's got a big one with it too. Nice fish. Really nice largemouth. Oh, that was so cool. This guy was hooked well. Really nice fish. First good fish of the day that has stayed on, I should say. I've lost two nice smallmouth. Oh wait, hold on. This big mouth is still here. Watch this, watch this. Oh no, she ran. Okay, so just got this really nice one. He was just right up behind this that rock, makes a nice current break. Pitched that Senko up to him and he came up and smashed it. Really nice long largemouth. So let's get him back. And he's got a paddle with it. We might be able to catch. There he goes. There he goes. Dude, that was insane. That was literally like bed fishing, but it's the middle of July and this fish was not on a bed. That was insane. He like would not leave, but he knew I was there. It's actually a better fish than the last one even. Oh, another nice largemouth. Jungle bassin. Nice jungle largemouth. Oh my gosh, that thing was hardly hooked. Shook off my Senko. Really, this one's healthier actually. The other one might have been longer, but I think this one's just a little stouter. Anyhow, nice fish. I mean, I'm not kidding, guys. I worked that fish for like 10 minutes too. He was right off the bank, and there's this little rock that I was using to just, after I got it jammed in there once, I saw he really reacted to it. So I'd let it float down with the current, and I'd let it get pinned in under that rock, and I'd kind of just crack it, like just barely ticking it like a crawl coming out. And then finally this thing snapped and just munched it. Really nice fish. Okay, gonna get a nice release on this bass. Really nice fish. Super cool to pick both of those fish off. Usually it's tough to get both of them. But there he goes. Man, beautiful, beautiful fish. Okay, I was not filming, but I just hooked into a massive smallmouth. Get out of that rock. Really nice fish. There he is, front row seats to the show. Get out of that rock, dude. Really nice fish. Not as big as I thought, I'll be honest. When he first jumped, I was like, let's go. But still, really, really nice fish. And a really, really beautiful fish at that. Hooked so well, finally. These things have been getting off all day on me. Yeah, that thing was gaffed. Really nice little football. Beautiful fish. Unfortunately, I did miss the hook set, but I cast it up. There was a big boulder out there in the middle of this flat. And as I was walking away, I was just about to peel out of this spot. My rod just loads up. Nice healthy fish. Really nice fish actually, but not as big as I thought. I got really hyped up. I thought that was like a 5-pound fish at first. So far this the gamble's been paying off though. Like I said, this is all new water to me. We are way up here tonight. Beautiful day though, and caught some really nice fish. Oh, I almost just face planted. Fish on. Doesn't feel big, but he's dogging. Oh, that's a pretty good fish. Very nice fish. Just a stout little smallmouth. I mean, this is a mini football right here, youth football. Smallmouth. I mean, beautiful fish though. Stocky, fat little guy, actually been eating really well. But we're getting him back in. I was gonna say, that spot looked so good. There has to be a fish in that. All right, I see a nice smallmouth right off that rock. Always on it instantly. No way he came off. Oh, as I was reeling it in. Little feisty smallmouth. Oh no, he's got a bunch with him though. Let's see if they eat it right in front of me. No way. Oh, how'd he come off? Dude, that was ridiculous. It's like fishing for piranhas. Okay, little smallmouth. I mean, I just missed like 3 of them. But hey, we'll take them. I mean, so small. I mean, I'm talking like they're at my feet. I'm just watching them going in like a frenzy for this thing. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I had another awesome time out here. This place never fails to be a good time. The fishing was pretty good today. Kind of a grinder day, but when you would get a bite, it was a pretty decent one. Unless it was small, then I would miss it. But yeah, really fun day. Really nice day out again. Just got back from vacation, so it's nice to be back fishing my little local spot. Just having an awesome time. So again, guys, if you enjoy this content, I really would appreciate just a thumbs up on this video, a sub to the channel, and sharing this video with a friend who loves fishing as well. You know, until next time, guys, just keep fishing and have an awesome week.